Departure Spirit 1818 out of 3600 for climbing Vita 9.
Spirit 1818 Las Vegas, approach radar contact, climb and maintain, flight level 190.
Up to 190, Spirit 1818.
Spirit 1818, contact LA Center 124.62.
2462, Spirit 1818. And Center hello, Spirit 1818, check in 176 or 190. We need to get back with you in a second. We may need to go back to Vegas.
Spirit 1818 Los Angeles Center, roger, climb and maintain, flight level 240, and is there a particular reason why?
Yeah, we're talking with maintenance right now. For some reason, we don't know why, but our rat deployed.
Okay, just keep me posted.
Okay, we'll let you know. And you set up to 230?
Spirit 1818, climb and maintain, flight level 240.
Up to 240, we'll get back with you.
Zulu Yankee SUZZY for the Sunset 4 arrival to Las Vegas via right turn. Maintain flight level 210.
Okay, we're direct fuzzy for the Sunset 1 and right hand turn to 210. We're going fuzzy now on the turn now for Spirit 1818.
Spirit 1818 affirmative, and just to clarify, the arrival is the Sunset 4 arrival after fuzzy.
Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, Sunset 4 fuzzy, Sunset 4 for Spirit 1818.
And Spirit Wings 1818, cross fuzzy at maintain 16,250 knots, the Las Vegas Altimeter 3014.
Cross fuzzy at 16 and 250, and we got all that for Spirit 1818, thanks.
Spirit Wings 1818, contact Las Vegas approach 125.9er.
25.9, thanks for the help, Spirit 1818.
Okay.
Tower, Spirit 1818, ILS 1 left.
Spirit 1818 Las Vegas Tower, wind 340 with 13, gust 16,
you're right turn there,
1
cross
left, clear to land.
26 right, what's
One
the
left,
gate?
clear to land, Spirit 1818.
Here, cross.
Spirit 1818, traffic will hold in position.
1818, roger.
Spirit 1818, right turn, cross runway 1 right, contact ground point 1.
Right turn, cross 1 right, contact ground point 1, thanks.